And races on Madam Composita Madera. And moving up in between runners, Dr. Choice Danori inside is Magiki Showmaster. Magiki Madera Showmaster Sir Barbaro. And rushing up, yes, why not? In the middle portion is Mother of Honor. Madam Composita is racing in 7. Down in 8 is Dr. Choice. And a long way back to entry number 4, Ozamasli, Sophia's Fury, Case Cat, and number 10, Noble Quest. Rounding the far turn, Madera, yes, why not? Racing up from the outside and racing in third by Sound 3 lines there. Barbaro Magiki Show Master Matter of Honor. Last 450, Madera still hanging to that half-length lead. Yes, why not, sir? Barbaro Danori inside Showmaster. And nearing the last 250 meters more to run, Madera. This time by some 2 lengths. Yes, why not, Sir Barbaro Showmaster. And nearing the last 100 meters more to run, Madera. From the stable of Mr. Pooch Puyat Madera. Yes, why not show Master Sir Barbaro Dr. Choice for your Fenta Fecta. Then comes Sophia's Fury, Mother of Honor, Magiki, Osamasli, Madame Composita, Noble Quest, and Case